Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing a review of another one of SHEIN beautiful human hair wig. So they sent me the wig in this box, but they also sent me another box that has supplies that I may need to install my wig. First I'm going to check out the supplies, then we go to the wig. So they sent me a mousse, they also sent me an edge wax stick, an edge brush, definitely gonna need that, a rat tail comb, a wig cap, and lastly an elastic band for the edges. Inside the box with the wig, I got a user's guide and another pair of wig cap. So this is the wig, guys, just showing y'all up close what the lace of it looks like. The knots look visible on the lace, but that's certainly not a problem. And this is what the rest of the wig look like. It is a glueless transparent highlight 1B/burgundy body wave 13x4 lace, and it's 28 inches. The density of this wig is 180%. The wig came with straps and clips inside of it to secure it onto your head, and it's pre-plugged. But even though I said it's glueless, I'm gonna be gluing it on because this wig is way too big for my head. So here I am putting it on for the first time, y'all. And do you see how it just slides back on my head? Yeah, there's no way I could have worn it glueless. I definitely have to glue it on. Also, I was gonna wait for the weekend to California and I thought I would wear it, but I ended up wearing a different wig anyway. So that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to glue it down. Here I'm using some edge wax stick on it to keep down the flyaway hair while I work on gluing down this wig. So I noticed that the parting that came on the wig is not directly in the middle, so I had to move it over to, the side a little bit. So definitely pay attention to stuff like this when you're putting your wig on. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace because this is going to make it so much easier for me to put it on. Using my Bold Hold Skin Protect, I'm going to clean my skin off, and this is going to help with making sure that the glue stays on and lasts longer. The glue I'm using today is also from Bold Hold, and I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 layers, and I'm using the tail part of my comb to spread the glue out. So I'm drying the first layer of glue, and after it's dried to the point where it's clear, I'm going to go ahead and apply the second layer. I'm also going to dry the second layer until it's clear, and then I'm going to put the lace down on it. Now that I have the lace done on the glue, I'm going to go ahead and dry it some more. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step with the sides. Now I'm going to pin my hair up in a bun and tie the front of it down with an elastic band just so the glue or the lace will set in place. I'm going to cut the lace off now. I'm trying to do it in a jagged motion. This is the reason why you see me going back and forth or my head going left to right. It usually doesn't work, but I still try. Now I'm giving myself a center part because the wig wasn't part directly in the middle. And I'm applying some edge wax stick to help to lay the hair down and tame the hair. Now I'm using the hot comb to lay down the hair around the edges and also in the middle. But I'm doing around the edges first. It's usually better to do the edges first before doing the middle. Y'all, as I was doing this, I freaking burned myself. That's what happened right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some edges out because I know this wig is gonna look super cute with some edges. I feel like it'll look better with it than without it for some reason. Maybe because it's straight hair or close to straight hair, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And today I'm gonna be using my Bold Hold Lace Jelly for the edges. Ooh, y'all, look at that. I absolutely love the way it look already. So I'm just gonna tie this down and work on the rest of the hair for now. Something I like to do is rub the edge wax stick into the palm of my hand and rub it together and wipe it all over the hair. For some reason, I believe this helps with the flyaway hair and make the hair look more silky. I mean, it could just be me, but it definitely works for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out a little section in the front on both sides of the hair and trim it down to frame my face a little bit. I'm using my flat iron to curl my hair today. Yes, the flat iron can curl the hair just like the curling iron. And sometimes I feel like it does an even better job than the curling iron, if you ask me. Like, look at that curl. You cannot deny it. You cannot deny it. Look how beautiful that curl look, and it's bouncy too. So yeah, let me go ahead and do the other side. Again, look at that curl, y'all. So beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do two more on each side because the hair is already body wave and it has its own curl. I'm not gonna be curling the entire thing. We're coming up to the end, y'all. I am so excited. It looks so good already. All I have to do now is take the elastic band off, change my outfit, and yes, I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Oh, looky, looky. I feel like a doll, and yes, I had to get a red shirt to go with it. The description of the hair said it's burgundy, but it looks like red to me, and I'm so in love with it. Look at the back, y'all. Look at those bouncy silky curls, and as you can see, or as you saw, I only curl like two sections in the front of it. I did not curl the back of it. It came with its own curl, and the curls are definitely holding up. Shein be doing their thing with these human hair wigs. I'm not gonna lie, I've been getting wigs from them for a very long time now, and I am yet to be disappointed with any wig that they send me. All the information for this beautiful, gorgeous, amazing wig will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to use my discount code to get some money off because you know we like saving money over here. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section and I will do my best to get back to them as soon as I can. If you feel this video was helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.